the fridge. So whoever last vacated the cottage would have left it on off. Flick that to on, you see the red flame at the top. So the gas is now coming to here. To let the gas in, you need to forget this switch here altogether because that's electricity. So you turn it to the top setting. Now, keeping the top setting pressed down, that lets the gas into the fridge. And here's the spark button. You press that. And then over here, now don't put your face too close to it because the flame could burst up into your face. There's no blue flame down there, so it didn't spark. So continuing to hold the gas button down on the highest setting, spark it again. Hearing nothing there, so just continue to hold the button down. This can take several times. Sometimes it starts straight away, sometimes it's a few times. Holding the button down, spark it again. You saw the flame there. Now, so it does eventually work, but just keep your face away from that. At least a couple of feet above the height of the fridge, just so the flame doesn't go in your face. So back to the controls here. You can take your finger off the button now. Leave it like that for a couple of hours for the fridge to cool down, and then afterwards put it on the lowest setting. You may find that the fridge freezes up even on the lowest setting, so you can turn the fridge off for a few hours and turn it back on again. So in reverse then, when you go home at the end of the trip, turn the gas up there to 0 and turn the gas off at the bottle. Inside the fridge, there's one here for raw meat. Keep your raw meat in it. Your ice, so the whole place doesn't become like a swamp, keep it in an ice bucket. And maybe cheese and other open packages, keep it separate, because no matter what, there always seems to be a pool of the water at the bottom of the fridge, and so you just want to keep everything fresh and out of that. Anything that's open, keep it in a plastic container. When you're leaving at the end of the trip, obviously turn off the fridge, take everything out, wash it down. Now this part up here will have become frozen, and to help it defrost, just pour some warm water over it and mop the fridge out. Leave the fridge open just so it can ventilate when you're away, and just keep an eye every now and again to see that little blue flame is down that pipe. There you go. Or if you don't want to stick your face to it, you can actually feel the heat coming up.